Hello everyone, it's Hanny. I made a envelope journal for a friend of mine, and before I give it to her I want to do a quick flip through. And I made this journal after an example of Patricia Viramontes. I will put a link over there where she makes such a journal too. I love making it, so I think I'm going to make some more. But this is for my friend, and she had her birthday last week, and she gave me these pieces of lace, this one. So I used them in her journal. Yes. Well, this is the front page. I printed some roses on book paper, and I cut it out, or teared it out, and then I adhered it on the front page. A few stamps and old book pages and the lace she gave me. I had a few postcards. I think they come from Daphne's Diary or The Flow, I'm not sure. I think Daphne's Diary. Yes, Daphne's Diary. This is a paperclip embellishment. This one, you can put it on and off. This is a pocket. In the upper pocket there's nothing, and in this pocket I put a little card. Then this pocket of this page I put a few flowers I made myself. This is a page with a pocket, and I used a magnet to close it up because it stood up like so, and I didn't like that, so I glued some magnets on it. Those little magnets, very strong magnets. They're ideal for closures. This is well, a little cluster I glued on it, cluster embellishment, whatever. These are 2 envelopes I made, and in this envelope I put some flower seed buckets, so she can collect seeds from her garden. I think I downloaded these from the graphic. No, what? I am not sure. Oh, the graphic fairy tale? Could be. You noticed already that the theme is flowers. In this pocket too, 2 little bags for flower seeds. Here I glued a pocket with 2 tags in it. That was her birthday. And here I just glued a little envelope with nothing in it, and a little card I put there in the pocket I made from that little bag. I have to put the card in again. This is from a quartet, we call it. I don't know how you call it, but oh, it's a beautiful card. In the middle I put a little book, notebook she can use for notes, of course. Here another pocket with a tag, and a little card, and embellishment, lace, put lace on it. Here a pocket from an old book page. I glued a little card on it I got from a friend in Happy Mail. And this is a card, well, it's about friendship. That's vriendschap is the Dutch word for friendship. And he said, een goede vriend heeft altijd een open oor. That means a good friend always listens to you. So that's a Sarah K card. I put it in there. And, well, this is a tag, and these are two friends, so I like that. Here I have a belly band with an envelope with a little card in it. I think, oh yeah, this is from Happy Mail. I got this from Happy Mail, thank you. And in here's a little envelope, but I accidentally glued it, so it's only a pocket and no envelope anymore. And I put a little card in it, playing card, and a little flower stamp. This, another tag with an embellishment on it, and another tag with flowers on it, the card. This is a poem, and it's about bees and flowers, about the flowers and the bees. And well, it's about, de poem is: zoek niet te ver, je verwonderen over het gewoonste, het spelen van licht, het strelen van de wind, de openhartigheid van een bloem, het gezoem van een bij. Zoek niet te ver, je zit vlak bij het vuur, het geheim dat leven heet, het liefste, het warmste geluk, iedere dag weer, het ligt voor de hand. Well, it's Dutch, of course, and well, it means don't look so far. You can grab luck and happiness. Well, it's just in front of you, and the birds, the bees, the flowers. It's everywhere, happiness. So you only have to see it and grab it. So that's about. That's the poem about. And sort of pocket I made from a piece of trim. This is fabric. And oh yes, you saw this one, and the back page I just made flat. Oh, I should put a bit of glue here. Because it's loose and it's curling, and I don't like that. So I'm putting a bit of glue there. Come on, I'm trying to pick. So, and this is the back. It's just plain. There's no pocket or something. Well, that's the book. You can put, she can put something in here. I don't have anything here yet. Or do I have a little tag? I thought I had a little tag, yes. But it could go in there. When it's dry, well, it doesn't. Well, it fits, but not well. So, that was a quick flip through. I love the journal. Oh, wrong way. So you can, well, just a bit like so. It's a bit mess here, so you don't see that. You close your eyes and you don't see that. Well, this is the middle. These are the 4 pages inside, and you can flip this open, so you have this 2 pages and this 2 pages, and you can flip like so and like so. And close the book. And I have a piece of called silk stuff, and I just wrap it around the book and tie a bow. And that's the journal I made. And now I can give it to her. And I hope she likes it. So, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.